Less than a year after the Supreme Court overturned the landmark Roe v. Wade decision, the country's once again awaiting a high court decision on abortion.
This time it's being asked to keep or toss out a ruling that would restrict access to the abortion pill mifepristone that has been legally used by women for almost a quarter of a century. The court's temporary stay on that decision expires tonight at midnight. ABC's Justin Finch has the story.
Advocates on both sides of the abortion debate are anxiously waiting to learn how the Supreme Court will respond to this latest attempt to restrict abortion access. Justice Samuel Alito issued a short stay preserving the ability of health providers to freely provide the abortion pill mifepristone under existing FDA rules to women in states where abortion is legal, as the Supreme Court considers what to do next. That stay runs out at midnight. The Supreme Court asked to intervene by the Justice Department after a Texas federal judge's ruling reversing the FDA's decades-long approval of mifepristone, upheld in part by the Fifth Circuit, including a prohibition against women receiving the drug through the mail. Further confusing things, a ruling by a federal judge in Washington state barred the FDA from reducing mifepristone access in 17 states and D.C. This has led to strong reactions from lawmakers on Capitol Hill.
I don't like a district court judge issuing a national decree, even if I agree with the judge. But at the end of the day, we're a rule of law nation, and let's see what the Supreme Court does with this.
You've got it safe in 60 countries. It's used in over half of the abortions. One judge from Amarillo, Texas, two judges on the Fifth Circuit, all of them Trump appointed, should not be making the decision for women across the country.
Lawyers for those favoring restrictions on the pill are urging the high court to leave the Fifth Circuit stricter guidelines in place. The Biden administration and mifepristone maker Danco Labs warn the Supreme Court of major disruptions if a stay is not issued today. According to CDC data, mifepristone is the method used in the majority of abortions in the country. And the High Court has a number of options today, including keeping the drug on the market as it takes up the case or siding with restrictions imposed by the Fifth Circuit. At the Supreme Court, Justin Finch, ABC News, Washington.